I'm using this Samsung Galaxy S25 mobile phone for more than 1 month now. Soon I'm going to enter into the second month. I'll post how my experience was after 2 months in a dedicated video. But for this video, I'm going to share the main problems I noticed till now, which are not mentioned in the full review video. So without making any further delay, let's start this video, and I've made it very short and simple. The first thing that bothered me is the price of this mobile phone. Seriously, for 81,000 rupees, this piece of tech doesn't satisfy me. If you ask me, the price of this mobile phone would perfectly fit in between 40,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees, which is the same we are observing for the previous models right now, like the S24. Next thing, the battery. This battery is not at all helping to use this mobile phone for a complete day with a single charge. A minimum of 2 times charging is required to use it full-fledged. The main problem here is the battery capacity. It comes with only a 4000 mAh battery, which is low if you ask me for today's standards. Right now, we are seeing the mobile phones with the latest battery technology like silicon carbon, which we already observed in the OnePlus 30. At least if they had given a 4500 mAh battery, it would be somewhat manageable for a full day on a single charge. Next thing is about the charging speeds. Seriously, after paying this much huge money for this mobile phone, still we are getting only 25 watts wired charging, which is so sad. The other two mobile phones in this series comes with 45 watts charging speed. Even that is also not fast compared to other mobile phones. Next is the heating. If you're a normal to slightly above normal user, you can skip this point. I'm talking here purely about heavy gaming. The thermals are not at all great, and that's the main drawback for any compact mobile phone if you observe from the past. But why I'm mentioning this point here is because this mobile phone comes with a cooling chamber inside. So everyone can expect a good performance during heavy gameplay, but that is not going to happen with this mobile phone. Next is about the display part. This display doesn't comes with any anti-reflective coating, which we observe in the Ultra model. There are some basic features that are needed in every single flagship mobile phone, like better battery, better charging speeds, better display, etc. If you observe here, Samsung is differentiating the mobile phones with these basic needs, which is so sad. Next, there is no autofocus option for the ultra wide camera. This point I missed in my full review as well. Paying this much money for these cameras still not getting up to the mark, it's not a good thing. See, what happens if the Samsung continues this trend is, in the long run, people who are willing to buy the Samsung mobiles, especially this lineup S25, 25 Plus, 25 Ultra, people slowly start thinking that to skip this particular model and wait for the next one, which declines the graph of sales as well as the reputation. Next point is also related to cameras, but it's all about nighttime or low light conditions. Still, it's the same as I told in the camera review video. No improvements, nothing. The performance that I'm getting in this mobile is the same I'm getting in my S24 FE mobile too, which is less than the half the price of this mobile phone. So why would I choose this if I have a better option for the half of the price? And the last thing is, even though the chipset is very powerful, due to the screen size and limitations, we cannot do more things compared to other mobiles that have bigger displays. This point is optional because people who are buying this mobile phone already have thought in their mind that they want a compact mobile phone, and that's why they buy this mobile phone. So this point you can treat it as 50-50. It's up to you. So these are the problems I noticed in my usage after more than 1 month. If in case you are using this Samsung S25 mobile phone, feel free to drop your problems in the comment section. I want to hear from you as well. I'm waiting here to listen your votes. Thanks for staying till now. Subscribe if you haven't done it. See you again in another video.